Yeah, so the next extension that we're going to take a look is Prettier, which is a code formatting tool. Now everybody knows what is code formatting, right? If you have extra spaces, if you want to indent, all this thing you can, Prettier will help you with that. Suppose you have large lines of code and you want to format it. So you can go to this site, you have to search for Prettier, prettier.io is the actual website, and this is the extension for that, alright? So now let's install this. Alright, we got this installed. Now let me go ahead and so there are a couple of nodes over here. So if you have any issues, you can also install it with this command prompt. Okay. And there are some other things, like if you have other Prettier extensions, you want to use that. So you want to use this, which is the default formatter. Okay. In my case, I don't have anything else installed. So there are some other features which you can read at. Okay. Now let's go to the code and say let's go to this JavaScript code, and let me introduce, like, say I have some extra spaces here, and suppose we have written something like this. So basically I have some unorganized or unformatted code over here. Okay. So there's now let's say we use this. Now we go to this Prettier, which is you can see it over here. Once you got this Prettier installed and we have this unorganized code, so you can just select the whole code over here. See, you can see the Prettier down over here. It's active. Just select all, right click, and you want to say format document with code formatter, and that's it. So your code gets formatted on all the extra places, spaces and all gets cleared. Yeah, of course there is just one, and it also gets indented. Okay, so a pretty good tool to use for formatting when you have lots of coding to be done, and helps you organize and keep your code organized.